Hi, Mike and Beth from Life Tools Tutoring. We're here today to talk to you about flashcards.
Specifically today we're going to talk about multiplication math cards or math facts. All math facts are obviously important for youngsters. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are all very critical. Again, they're kind of the foundation of math.
The back to basics.
The back to basics, exactly right. Today specifically we're talking about multiplication. If your student is in third grade, they should probably start with their multiplication math facts. And for sure, by the time they get out of fourth grade, they should know their multiplication math facts.
They should have almost a mastery of their math facts before they can move on into the more complex parts of math.
Yes.
The good news is that when they start learning their math facts, start with the easier numbers. 0, obviously, or 1. If you have a multiplication fact with 0, that's always 0. If it's times 1, it's always the number you're multiplying by. When your children start to feel that they understand those, then you can move on. There's still some other nice easy ones as well though. How about 5s? Most of your kids can go 5, 10, 15, 20, so that they can go through the 5s. 10s are another easy one. Again, what's happening when you're giving them those facts that are a little bit easier to learn is that they're getting some of that accomplishment before they move into some of the harder numbers.
That's correct. 11 is another one.
11s, yep.
1 times 11 is 11, 2 times 11 is 22, 3 times 11 is 33. You see the pattern? 5 times 11 is 55. So really, without much effort, your students can really master a lot of the multiplication math facts. The other trick is dealing with 9s. If you put your hands out in front of you, we have a 9 trick for you or for your student. Specifically, if you count your fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, this is specific to 9 multiplication math facts. If we're saying 9 times 2, put the number 2 finger down. 9 times 2 is 1 on this side and 8 on this side.
So you've got 18.
9 times 2 is 18.
What if you're taking 9 times 5? Again, go to that fifth digit, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that one down. And what's left? You've got 4 and you've got 5. 45.
9 times 5 is 45. So again, they can know their 9s, their 9 multiplication math facts, just using this, what we call the 9 trick. Eventually, they're not going to need to use their fingers because they're going to have memorized all of those as well. So again, this is really an important tool, maybe something that's kind of fallen by the wayside the last handful of years, but it's a very important foundational aspect of math and critical to success in high school and college. So
and the last part is you can buy math cards, right? Your math facts, you can grab those at a store, but you can also make your own math facts, right? We just took some index cards and you've got the math fact on one side and the answer on the other. So if you misplace the ones that you purchased, it's very easy for your student to go through and make up their own set of math facts.
And they're studying while they do it, or they're learning their math facts while they're doing it.
Absolutely.
Lastly, if you have older students that still don't know their math facts, get them learning those. It's never too late to learn those, and they need them for their future in high school and college.
Forever.